This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the JDfn Financial Network. The economy pushed forward at 0.9% in the first quarter, slightly better than first expected. The new reading on gross domestic product was an improvement from the government's initial growth estimate for the January to March quarter, as well as the economy's performance in the final quarter of last year. Labor, meanwhile, said initial jobless claims rose by 4,000 to 372,000. The increase was a bit milder than was anticipated. Crude supplies dropped by 8.8 million barrels to 311.6 million for the week ended May 23rd. Drop was due to temporary delays in crude oil tankers offloading in the Gulf Coast. Motor gasoline supplies fell 3.2 million barrels to 206.2 million. AAA puts the national average price for a gallon of regular at the record $3.95. It's jumped 35 cents in the past month and is 76 cents a gallon higher than a year ago. Freddie Mac said that the 30-year fixed mortgage average hit an 11-week high on inflation jitters. 30-year fixed rate mortgage averaged 6.08%. Bear Stearns shareholders voted to approve a $2.2 billion buyout by J.P. Morgan Chase, and General Motors top managers working on an additional restructuring measures to deal with a declining U.S. auto market and an accelerated shift from trucks to more fuel-efficient vehicles. New steps likely to involve further cost cuts. Some of the economic reports scheduled out on Friday include personal income and spending, Chicago PMI, and consumer sentiment, along with the core PCE price index. Earnings today, Sears Holdings swung to a $56 million first quarter loss. Loss equated to 43 cents a share compared to a profit of $223 million last year. Analysts expected 15 cents a share profit this year. Costco Wholesale said its fiscal third quarter profit climbed 32% and topped analysts' expectations. Company reported net income rose to $295 million or 67 cents. The analysts' consensus was for 65 cents. H.J. Heinz says sales of Heinz branded products and price increases helped boost fourth quarter earnings by more than 7%. Heinz reported a profit for the quarter rising to $194.1 million or 61 cents a share, in line with expectations. Earnings scheduled for Friday: Lionsgate Entertainment, Colgate-Palmolive, Tiffany, Kirkland's, and Novell. Stocks in the news today: U.S. Airways will meet with the CEO of United Airlines parent UAL Corp to discuss a possible merger. Elizabeth Arden and Liz Claiborne entering into an exclusive long-term global licensing agreement to manufacture, distribute, and market Liz Claiborne fragrance brands. Bristol Myers Squibb said it has signed a deal to buy Cosan Biosciences, that's a cancer therapeutics company, for $5.50 a share in cash. And that is the Market Wrap today. I'm Jack Lott. This is the JDfn Financial Network.